The best part about this fix is that it doesn't require any tools.
When you fix the belt, it's the thing that makes this turn around. And you can usually know that your belt is broken when this stops turning. Mine, I don't think it's broken right now, but I think it may just be old. So we have to get this piece off in order to access the belt that's right here. So you have to turn this up and then you move this. It says unlock and lock. So unlock by pushing this way. And then this whole gray thing can come off. Right here you can see the belt right there. It is intact. You don't need a tool to take this out. It just slides off. And it's the tension that's holding it on there. This belt is what we're gonna be replacing with. Up here, there's like a little metal rod right there. So we're just sliding off of that. And if it's broken, you won't even need to slide it off. It'll just be like split in there. Here's the size of it right there. And here's the size of the new one. Thinking that maybe because this is stretched out, then maybe that's why I'm not getting very good sections. Right here, this is a square on both sides. You have to fit it into the square that's right there. I just looped this on where it was before. And this is probably gonna be hard since it is smaller than the other one because it's new. I'm gonna loop this rod thing first because that's gonna be next to impossible to lift it up over. And then I'm gonna loop it over this. Okay, it's in that spot. So now, I'm just gonna give it a pull with my foot on it. I gotta line that up. It's gonna be tight. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Yes, that was awesome. I've had this vacuum for probably 10 years. So this is the first time that I have lost suction with all my tubes clear. So that's why I'm going to the belt removal now to see if fixing the belt, making it go from this loose one to a less loose one, like a new one, whether that'll help with my suction at all. Okay, so I have that on. So I'm gonna move this over to lock this piece in place, but then I'm also pushing this over. And I do remember that this part was a little bit trickier. You'll just need to make sure that these little indentions, there's 3 of them, meet back up with these 3 things right here. Pushing that in, locking that back down, and then moving this to lock. You can feel that it's locked in by pulling on this part. With my vacuum fixed, I feel so amazing because this is ready to go for another long go of vacuuming. Nothing feels better than being able to fix your own vacuum by yourself and knowing how to do it for future reference when your vacuum goes out.